And this is Courtney with Texas Teacher Today, and today I wanted to make a video to tell you how to pass the LOTE. Before we start, you can see this is the data by TEA, Texas Education Agency, and the passing rate for first-time test takers in 2024-2025 was 54%. So 46% of first-time test takers didn't pass the test, and a lot of those are first language speakers, heritage and native speakers that aren't passing this test. And of course, second language learners also struggle at times. So how can we prepare? Well, the state gives us a preparation manual. I like to call it more of a starting guide. So let's scroll down and click on LOTE Spanish 613. We're going to click on Overview and Exam Framework. You can see it's a 5-hour test with 120 questions and 8 constructed response. Those are the writing and speaking assignments. You can see instruction and assessment, they also call it pedagogy, is 34.6% of the exam. Cultural understanding, 8%. Listening, 16.7%. Reading, 16.7%. Written expression, 12%. Oral expression, 12%. So if you're trying to pass, you really need to prepare for all domains. You need to know the pedagogy, the instruction and assessment. You have to have some understanding of the different cultures of Spanish-speaking countries. You need to be strong at listening and reading comprehension, and written and oral expression also have to be strong. That means you have to use accent marks and you need to use formal academic Spanish. A lot of people I work with struggle with accent marks and formal academic Spanish, and most people also don't know second language acquisition, which is the pedagogy. So you need a comprehensive course or book that's going to work on all domains. So if you don't have something, maybe you don't want to buy anything. Let me tell you what you can do if you don't want to buy something. It might not work, but here's what you can do. So you need to go to number 8, Sample Foreign Language Pedagogy Content Knowledge Questions, and read through all of these questions and including the answer choices and learn how the pedagogy test questions are worded and how to answer them. Go to Overview and Exam Framework. Scroll down, and under each competency, see where it says the beginning teacher A understands theories and processes of interlanguage development, including predictable patterns in second language development and factors affecting the time required to learn language. So copy and paste this into ChatGPT chunk by chunk, and it will tell you a lot of good information, but it does make mistakes, so you have to be careful and check the references or Google it in addition, right? Make sure it's right. Then you do that for every descriptive statement. So it's very time consuming. You have to do that for all of these and then all of competency 2 and all of competency 3. So you can learn pedagogy doing that. For cultural understanding, it's very hard to study because you need to study the cultures of all Spanish-speaking countries. Very hard to do, but I can tell you most people do well on culture. So just do what you can, but I wouldn't agonize over that. As far as listening and reading, you can do the free practice here. That's not probably going to be enough practice, but you can find free listening and reading practice that's a C1 level on Spanish. I found that the free stuff is usually not hard enough or it doesn't have quizzes. So it's going to be hard to get enough listening and reading practice without buying something. And then writing and speaking, look at the samples that they have here, the prompts, and practice writing your own prompt and use Google Docs, Microsoft Word, ChatGPT to check your writing. And for speaking, have a native speaker check your speaking. But it's really beneficial if you have somebody that knows the test to give you this feedback, because a native speaker can correct your speaking, but they don't know how to check for task development and topic completion like I do. So I'm going to grade you like the rubric. So I have a comprehensive course that will save you a lot of time. You don't have to do your own research. Everything's ready for you. All you have to do is sit down and watch the videos and read the material, take the quizzes, and attend tutoring, and you'll be ready to pass. So if you want to save yourself time and effort, you can have a ready-made program for you, and I'd be happy to help you pass. In fact, I just heard from Inez, who passed. She did very well on pedagogy, instruction, and assessment, and I'm really excited for her. So I'd love to help you be the next success story. So if you would like help, please give me a call or send me a text at 361-846-0741. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.